ChatGPT's API release just opened the door for AI enthusiasts to take the power of ChatGPT and wrap it into our own AI tools and services. For people looking to make money with AI, this means countless business opportunities just opened up. Forget being a prompt engineer. Prompt engineering will become just a prerequisite skill to modern life. In this video, I break down 3 real-world examples of how we can strategically create a business that capitalizes on the technology behind ChatGPT. Let's get into the 3 business ideas and exactly how I would go about putting them into action. Idea 1. Content automation application for digital marketing agencies. We all know that ChatGPT, if prompted correctly, can create some exceptionally good written content. Think if we create a software for social media marketing agencies to completely automate the content creation process for their clients. We would create a ton of value for these businesses. Taking the new ChatGPT API, we could create a web application that gives agencies the power to easily manage their clients' social media accounts from one platform. Our site could give the agency the ability to create profiles for their clients with relevant data, posting schedules, and social media login credentials. The website can connect to the ChatGPT API and be programmed to create relevant written content for their agency's clients. We could take the software side of this one step further and use a tool like Stable Diffusion's AI art generator to automate photo-based content creation. The ways that we can provide value to a client like social media marketing agencies with AI and code is endless. Once we have a valuable software as a service to sell, we can start thinking about pricing and marketing of our application. Considering digital marketing agencies can be small or huge, we should create membership plans priced accordingly. For example, we could charge $250 per month for an agency to manage 1 client, $500 for 5 clients, and $1,000 for 15 clients with a $100 per month additional charge per client. To market the application, we can create a quick video showing of our software. With this video, we can use targeted marketing like Facebook ads or Google advertisements on YouTube videos to advertise to our clients. We can further our marketing efforts by finding influencers creating content for social media marketers. Idea 2. Chatbot development agency for local businesses. While the new ChatGPT API doesn't allow us to fine-tune, we can use the GPT-3 API to fine-tune a custom model for businesses to be custom-tailored to their industry. Fine-tuning is when we take the GPT-3 model and feed it our own data, allow it to train itself on the data, and if done correctly will give us the power of GPT-3 with the knowledge of data it doesn't currently have access to. There are many small and medium-sized businesses currently paying for chatbots that are far outdated when compared to a GPT-3-powered chatbot. Also, there are many local businesses in various industries, such as dentistry, law, marketing, and more, that currently lack an intelligent chatbot to automate their customer service. These businesses all would benefit greatly by having a fine-tuned GPT-3 chatbot to automate customer service tasks that weren't capable before GPT-powered chatbots. While some people may be disappointed that the ChatGPT API does not offer fine-tuning, it's worth noting the ways that the older DaVinci 3 model is actually still more powerful and can be fine-tuned on our own data to answer questions how we would prefer. 175 billion parameters of data were used to train DaVinci, while 20 billion parameters were used for ChatGPT. This allows it to generate more complex and diverse responses across a wider range of topics. Let's discuss a business plan for making this idea into a reality. First, we need to decide what industry we should target for our first client. I'll pick local defense attorneys. We could train a GPT-3 language model on frequently asked questions, email conversations with private data omitted, and even legal documents pertaining to the jurisdiction of our local attorneys. Once we have a fine-tuned language model for our client, we can deploy it to their website and/or a landing page for their marketing campaigns. Financially, it would make sense to charge the client an upfront cost to develop the fine-tuned chatbot. Let's say we charge a local attorney a one-time setup fee of $7,500. This software, while easy for us who developed it, would be hard for an attorney or other local business to maintain the software by keeping it up to date in the ever-changing world of technology. This makes it a software that clients are willing to pay hundreds to thousands per month to ensure they keep that chatbot running that allows them to have the task completely delegated. Idea 3. Virtual assistant service. Busy executives and entrepreneurs often struggle to manage their daily tasks and schedules. By creating a virtual assistant service powered by the DaVinci 3 API, businesses can provide a solution to this problem. Think if we fine-tuned GPT-3 to be an extremely honest, intuitive personal assistant with access to our data to become our AI personal assistant. The personal assistant can perform tasks such as scheduling meetings, responding to emails, and managing to-do lists, freeing up time for executives and entrepreneurs to focus on high-priority tasks. It can be trained to understand the user's preferences and work style, providing a seamless and efficient experience. By providing virtual assistant services, businesses can enhance the productivity and efficiency of busy professionals. The service can be marketed to executives, entrepreneurs, and business owners across industries, providing a valuable solution to a common problem. Ongoing support and updates are offered to ensure that the virtual assistant continues to meet the evolving needs of the user. To make this idea a reality, we need to start by identifying the target audience. Let's say we want to target busy executives in the tech industry who have demanding schedules and need a virtual assistant to manage their tasks. Next, we can create a web application that allows clients to easily sign up for our virtual assistant service. The web app can be integrated with the GPT-3 API to provide an intelligent virtual assistant that can handle a variety of tasks. Our site could create profiles of our users with as much data as they wish to share with us to provide as many valuable personal assistant services possible. Subscribe to AI Austin for more clear, concise educational videos on business, programming, and artificial intelligence.